Okay everyone, welcome back to CBD Yoga and Fitness. My name is Mike and I'm super excited to share this quick yoga series with you all. This is the first video in this quick yoga series, and the series is designed for yogis of all levels and is meant for anyone basically who wants to do a nice short quick yoga video. If you don't have time to do a 30-minute video or a 45-minute video, then the series is definitely meant for you. In today's class, we are going to be doing a nice Vinyasa style flow. We're going to keep it nice and short. So when you're ready, roll your mat, grab some water, and let's get started. Okay everyone, so let's begin this nice short Vinyasa flow. Coming to the top of our mat, our feet can be together or hip width distance apart. And we're gonna begin with one sun salutation. So when you're ready, here we go. Let's inhale, bring the hands up towards the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank, lower knees, chest, chin to the mat, elbows hug in. Inhale, baby cobra, gaze down, no wrinkles in the neck. Exhale, bring it back to downward facing dog. Keep your fingers spread wide here, hands pushing into the mat. And feel free to pedal out your feet here, waking up the backs of the legs. Coming back to your breath. Now from here, let's inhale, lift our right leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the right knee, step the right foot up between the hands. And here we go, let's inhale, come up into a nice high lunge. Try to keep that right knee over that right ankle, hips in one line here. So for some of us, this may mean drawing our right hip back and our left hip forward. Hands can come up overhead, keep that core slightly engaged. Take a breath here. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back to plank, and then chaturanga, come into an upward dog. Exhale, step it back to down dog. Great job, everyone. Let's take it over to the other side. When you're ready, inhale, lift the left leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the left knee, step the left foot up between the hands. And when you're ready, inhale, come up into a nice high lunge. Keeping that left knee over left ankle. And again, keeping the hips in one line here. Arms coming up overhead. Keep that core slightly engaged. Take a breath here. Exhale, plant the hands, step it back. Move through your chaturanga, coming to an upward dog. Exhale, come back to down dog, breathe. Now from here, let's lift our right leg up towards the sky once again. Exhale, bend the right knee, step the right foot up between the hands. This time, pivot our left foot 90 degrees. Air guitar the left arm up. Coming into a nice warrior two. Again, keeping that right knee over right ankle. And then the right heel in line with the left arch. Arms to a T. Smile, breathe. On your next inhale, come into a peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down. Step it back to plank, move through your flow. And we'll meet in downward dog. Let's take it over to the other side. Inhale, bring the left leg up towards the sky. Exhale, bend the left knee, step the left foot up between the hands. Pivot the right foot 90 degrees. Air guitar the right arm up. Coming into warrior two, left knee over left ankle, left heel in line with the right arch, arms to a T, breathe. Inhale, peaceful warrior. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down, step it back to plank, move through your chaturanga. Coming into up dog, exhale, we'll meet back in downward facing dog. Great job, everyone. So from here, let's begin to wind down. Let's bring our knees to the mat. Bring our knees as wide as the mat, big toes to touch. Extend our arms out long, coming into a nice extended child's pose. Forehead resting in the mat, releasing the low back. Coming back to your breath. So option to stay here, or you can make your way into Shavasana, or if you like, you can come into a nice seated position of your choice. From here, let's bring our hands together at our heart. Thank you all so much for joining me today. If you haven't already, be sure to like and subscribe. And now from here, let's bring our hands together at our third eye. The light in me honors the light in all of you. Thank you so much. Namaste.